In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add tags to your YouTube videos after upload. So if you are wanting to add any tags to your YouTube videos once you have uploaded the video, what you can do is, first of all, from the homepage of YouTube, you can go to the top right hand corner of your screen to your profile picture, click on your profile picture, and then you will need to select YouTube Studio. Once you select YouTube Studio and it has loaded up and it is showing your content, what you need to do from here is just simply click on the video that you want to go ahead and change. So if I click on content now, what that will do is it will give me a list of all the videos I have uploaded. And for example, if I wanted to add a tag to this, I can select the video. Once you select the video, it will open up the video details. And what you need to do is just simply scroll down until you can find your tags. And as you can see, your tags box is right here, and if I write a tag now, what I can do is just put in YouTube Kids Parental Controls. Once you click enter, as you can see in the top right hand corner, the save button does now come up as blue, and you can now select save to go ahead and save your new tags and your changes to this video. So that's how easy it is to add tags after you have uploaded a video on YouTube. If this video did help you out, please let me know in the comments section down below, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one.